Okay guys, as we all know that our fabrication of wind turbine blade is going to be in 5 weeks. So I will let Afam continue the discussion.
Okay, everyone, let's be serious now, because we have no enough time to complete our fabrication. Let's discuss and make a decision of our material of blade. For my research before, PVC is a perfect one because it's cheap, lightweight and practical for a student project. So my choice was realistic than you guys, I guess. I agree with that.
I don't agree with your statement. Yes, PVC is cheap, but under the high wind speed, the blade will be deformed, the blade will be bent. And what's the point of having a field project in the end? And personally, I suggest fiberglass as my choices of material.
But Danny, you think fiberglass can easily to fabricate? At least PVC don't take more time. Come on Danny, it's realistic.
If we talk about realistically, in real world life application, wind turbine blade uses fiberglass as their material because it has a high strength to weight ratio. So it's obviously the better choices here.
Wait guys, I don't think PVC and fiberglass is gonna be our choices. PVC is weak and fiberglass is expensive. The smartest option is wood. Why spend on money on fiberglass and trust plastic, but the wood is used in wind turbine historically? What do you guys think?
I don't think wood is a great choice either, because with the inconsistency of the weather in Malaysia, as we all know, we all rain sometimes, and the wooden blade will be warping, and our project will be fall apart.
Okay, I know the weather in Malaysia is inconsistent, but only if we seal it properly, the wood, if we apply protective coating, we can reduce water absorption. Every material has their own weakness, even though fiberglass can fail if poorly manufactured.
Can everyone stop acting like we have unlimited time? I support PVC like Afham said, and I will explain why. PVC already have a right curve shape, and we can cut it quickly, shape it quickly, and test it quickly without wasting our time. If we use fiberglass, we need to prepare a molding first, and it takes much time to do it. If we use wood, we need to spend more time to carving and shaping, and that takes more effort to do it. For me, PVC help us save time during fabrication, and that means we can focus on other important work such as writing essay, testing, and analysis. Engineering is not only about strongest material, it's also about choosing a material that is practical, easy to use, and suitable for the time that we need to do. And it's about deadline too.
Deadline doesn't matter if our project fail in the end. What if the moment we test our product, the blade fell apart?
Danny, our project is not running for 10 years. We only need prototype testing. You keep comparing student project to industrial turbine.
Sorry guys for interrupt, but I think Daniel actually has a point. Because we can look at from a perspective, if we compare with three materials, which is fiberglass, PVC and also wood, the fiberglass is weak in performance. It is because blade material affect its stiffness, and the aerodynamic shape, its retention, and also an energy capture. Fiberglass can hold precise aerofoil shape better than PVC or wood, and that's why composite blade is the main factor about domination in a modern wind turbine. So we can discuss again about what our goal in our choosing material. Is it about the best efficiency or what? Because if our goal is best efficiency, exactly fiberglass is the winner best material other than two material that we discussed.
The performance, efficiency sounds good, but let's think. You have budget to use fiberglass. Use fiberglass can make our budget increases, and that's why I choose PVC. It's more friendly budget and not the cheapest thing like I said.
Yeah, I know what you say, Afam, but chill. I'm just saying about academically that theoretical that we learn about three materials and we compare it with three materials for our project. Like I said, in the best efficiency from three material is fiberglass. But in our situation or our living in Malaysia, like PVC is a good choice also because first it's affordable, and the second one is it is a good efficiency, and the third one it's easy to find it, and the fourth one because we living in Malaysia. I know that Dani already said about that PVC can bend it because the high wind speed. But in Malaysia, we only have between 2 meter per second to 5 meter per second, and it not can be damaged to PVC that can bend. So if you talk about costing, our MI just came up with that money, or we can collect also to make this project happen, and I'm open to choose either it's fiberglass or PVC, and that's why we're making a discussion group. So please don't bias, is it a fiberglass or PVC that we can choose, or also wood, because it seems like you guys are choosing convenience over quality.
If we talk about academical, we can also calculate using factor of safety and finite element analysis.
Yes, but if we compare the material in factor of safety, clearly fiberglass is going to be the winner here. So still, I will stick with fiberglass as the better option here.
Now, I think if we have a highest FOS, factor of safety, I don't think it's gonna be great because it's gonna be a waste material. So I think I'm willing to accept PVC as our final choice in fabrication, but only one condition: you must explain and justify why fiberglass and wood not be selected. Otherwise, we choose convenience over engineering evaluation.
So let's compare all the material you guys give. First of all, the fiberglass is good, strongest, best performance, expensive, but hard to make. So for wood, I respect the suggestion, but yeah, it's cheap, it's in strength, but it has moisture, lower lubrication. And PVC, I'm not the bias. Cheapest practical option, fastest fabrication and lower durability. So ask yourself, are we judge a turbine manufacturer or student completing a prototyping? Then we can improve other the material that improve the blade angle, pitch and design of the blade. Material is only one factor. A well-designed PVC blade can still perform respectably for small scale tests. So I will include the fiberglass, PVC and wood in the report writing. And about the efficiency also, the theoretical data we can make a research to all those material. What you guys say?
I agree with that. As long as we clearly stated the efficiency of other material rather than PVC, then I'm totally okay with that.
Yeah, also we can, if we included the performance in our presentation and explain it very good for comparison that three materials, that I will agree with that.
So finally, use PVC for our plan.
Yes, yes, I agree with that.
I agree with that.
So we can proceed our project. And that's all for today. Thank you for
Thank you, guys.
this meeting.
Thank you.
Thank you.